How can I teach ASL online? I've got the answer. Now, and be sure to stay because I'm going to show you how you can get access to all this with unlimited downloads, okay? And access to everything. Let's get started. So I'm going to take you over to ASL Teaching Resources, okay? Now, in here, there are several pockets, and I'm going to give it to you really briefly, and you can explore all yourself. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this and we're going to go to pre-K. Now hold on, if you're not teaching pre-K, don't worry about it because in pre-K we actually have tons of stuff that you're going to want for your older students as well too. How is that possible? Okay, I've just clicked on that one. I'm coming right here. You can watch the video to give you an idea right here what this is about. But I'm just going to open up one of these and show you what is in here. There are tons and tons of things you can use with older kids. Well worth the price. You can pay full price, or I'm going to show you how you can end up getting downloads where you just have one fee and that's it. Okay, so right here you're going to see there's this many pages. Oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. Come here and watch this video. It's going to show you what's in here. So look at this. When you're in here, you can see all the different things. So in ASL, we're teaching numbers, right? So you'll have these, you'll have games, you'll have worksheets. These are even shapes where you can do things with the older students as well as the younger ones. Even starting to incorporate just single words go away. You can have so many different games I did with that with even the older ones. You're going to get flashcards, you're going to get posters for all these different topics and game ideas. We give you tons of games. We give you tons of videos that relate to all these topics as well with the full vetted video library. And then this is, I mean, there's so many different things in here. And let me give you just a sneak peek to behind the scene and just give you an example of one of those right now in real time. Are you ready for this? You're not going to believe it. And let me close this down a little bit. Come in the back side. You're not going to believe this. So if you're working with some of the older students, what if you had a game for antonyms? Just antonyms. You're going to get these posters and things like this. Tons and tons of stuff in here, just teaching that. Then you're going to have a dental rolling graph, which could be a fun game for them. But again, go watch the videos and you can get a snippet of everything that's in there. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. So if you are teaching ASL online, and I'm also going to show you how you can do it online, what program you can use to convert these PDFs to online. Some of these things are already online resources, but we're going to show you what to do. So the other one is we're going to come over here and go to this part to learn ASL. Okay, let me show you where that's at. So if you're on the home page, click Learn ASL. Boom, you're there. Okay. In here, you can always go back to the home page up here. In here, you can scroll down and you can get a general idea by watching this video right here. It's going to give you a sneak peek. Let me give you behind the scenes here. So if you go to the top at the website, okay, and you click on course list, go to full course list right here. Okay. When you become a member, you'll get access to the online courses. You don't get access to the curriculums, which is Sign Club and the pre-KK, but you get access to the courses, and that'll give you an idea of what it looks like. So whenever it's a course, it's yours. Okay, so you'll be able to learn ASL level 1 and 2, and you can use those handouts and everything in there to be able to teach from it, to have a higher level of learning. Okay, so let me come on down here. If you want to even see a little more on this, let me go back. I'm going to keep going back to this home page here. You can go right here and you can click on online courses, and in here you'll actually see you can click on and see what all is in that packet as well. All right, and you can see a video of and everything tells you what is taught in level 1 ASL and level 2 ASL. You've never seen a course like this because it has a variety of people, has a variety of age, ethnicity. It has tests and quizzes in it and everything and handouts. Unbelievable. Okay, let's go to the next thing here. So this is the Learn ASL. Again, I'm going to show you how you can get all of this, every bit of it for one price, okay? And then I'm going to show you, if you just want one packet, how to do that. This is the other thing you're going to go to. Again, if you were on the home page, you click on this and click on Shop All Products, okay? Now that you're in Shop All Products, you'll be able to see there is a big filter right here. Okay, and you can pick by this. I don't recommend using a grade level. Just keep it open and just go by subjects. Click on the plus sign and you'll be able to expand it out to even more categories. Let's just open up the holiday one. Boom, 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 and it has this many resources. Tons and tons of stuff. All right, so how are you going to get all of this for one price, and how are you going to do it online? Okay, let's go back to that home page that we keep liking to go to. You can just click on the icon here. It will take you back right now. By the way, if you're here, always pay attention to the banner. We might have something going on. It changes out from time to time. So we're going to come in here. We are now going back to the home screen. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Let me show you. All the way to the bottom. We have made you a video. Cami has been updated since then. I have not updated this video, but you can get a general idea using Cami, because it will actually connect to your classrooms that you're using in your schools, and how you can integrate it just by uploading one of the PDFs, and then it becomes interactive. You can even write on it. You can send it and submit it in the Google Classrooms, all this kind of amazing things, okay? Trust me, you'll like it. All right, so that's how you can convert all of this into doing something online and assigning it to a student. All right, now as promised, how do you get all of this? How do you get access to everything like this? Okay, let's come back up to the top. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down a little bit. You can hit start here. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit because this tells you what you're going to get. You click print, teach, and you have online learning. All right, so we're going to come right here. You get to choose your path. Which one is best for you? The all access is the one you get everything on the website, okay? There will be a couple exclusions. I am saying that as, because if it's something that is, what do you call it? Something we ship to you, that's not included. And then we are soon going to be opening up something with some clip art, and that won't be included. But everything I'm showing you now, plus Sign Club. Oh my gosh. Sign Club is an amazing in itself. You have all these units, thematic units that you can teach from. And it has the full lesson plan already done for you. And we have videos in there to teach you what to do, game ideas, craft ideas, and things like that. So a lot of it is for younger kids, but when you're doing ASL with even older kids, oh my goodness, they love a lot of this. Trust me. They love the games and things like that. And we can help you adjust it. So anyway, the all access means you get all three of these memberships, and we're going to give you Sign Club. Okay? And you've got everything for the entire year. And you don't have to worry about anything. Have got it all at your fingertips, okay? And we can give you support as well. So click on that and you can check it out. Now, let's say you have a smaller budget. Feel free to get one of these other memberships, and you can use those as well. These videos kind of tell you a little bit more. You can play anything and see it, how it works. All right, we also have in here in each one of them a letter to your boss. So if you need somebody, you get a purchase order. You can come on down here and you can get where we have this is our Q&A, and I'm trying to remember the purchase order. Oh, the purchase order is actually at the top menu. Come back over here, come back with me, and I think it's under here, one of these purchase orders right here. Okay, and then when you click on one of these memberships, in there is a letter to your boss. You'll see it. It's a long tab. Okay, so there you have it. I know this is going to be an amazing tool for you. Anytime anybody's working with any students, whether you're a speech pathologist, you're a daycare, you are just in the classroom, or you need things for your students, you don't ever have to make anything, because there are hundreds and thousands of resources here done for you. It's amazing. Okay, reach out to us if you have questions. You need to book an appointment to understand things more. Right here, contact us. All right, help us spread the word, by the way. Just copy this link, put it in your Facebook group. Please help us spread the word. Sign language, we got you. Take care.